Morning, I'm Daryl Ponton. Yesterday, me and my son brought some junk back from my sister's house, and we cleaned it up a little bit and we got it ready to bring to the scrap yard. Now we're heading up there to see what we can get for it. Yesterday, me and my son went out, tore apart some more on that trailer, and we brought it back to the house. We're cleaning it up and loading it up for scrap yard. Now, we had to spend about an hour or two last night cleaning up some of these aluminum windows. A little bit of work. They don't want no glass there, so you had to take the glass out, get all the plastics off of it. Mostly aluminum and a little bit of steel. Ain't got much copper. This is the old trailer I was talking about where we got the scrap from. Working on that for 2 or 3 days now. Now we're gonna go bring it into the junkyard and try to cash out a little bit on it. Previously bought a load of aluminum up there and got $60. Now that we made it to the scrap yard, we're going to check in the aluminum first. And then we're going to drop off the steel, and then you can see how much we made.